our channel. So we are here in Quay Beach. How do you call this? So we got in Quay. So Miss Emilia, Mrs. and Mrs. always right, and oh, we are always right group. We are out there. So you can see we are by the seaside now. So that's the cameraman. So I'm just trying to get on that. So this is where we're coming for fun. So we're going to do a lot today. So that is the seaside.
Carl's gone without us.
Where is it? I know where it's going. Let him. So today is our second day. So you can see the seagulls, and this is the seaside. So we are all having fun. Yeah, do you want to go? Yeah,
Look after that, please.
I will. So some people are going to spend a penny in that. So I am doing my video. So this is the beginning of our second day in the seaside. So there's a lot of boats. There's a lot of boats there. So you can see it's busy here. We're going to have so much fun there. I know the sky is a bit cloudy, so I'm not going to go too far because I'm waiting for the gentleman to be here. Let's look at it. I'm here. It's gone in as well. Yeah, that is. It's gone inside there as well. Is that, how do you call it, seaside?
That's where we were, over there.
Yeah, harbour. Oh, so we have harbour sandbags cruising. So we're going to catch. Look at them here. So we've got. So these are the harbour tours. They go in there and they are cruising. So it's so we've got everything. I'm so amazed to be here. The best holiday I have had so far. I'm here. Paul, we are here. So Mr. Always Right is here. So this is nice, and so I might go on this cruising. I don't know. We might go, but hubby is so frightened about the water. So we are having a lovely day. So do you want to hold that for me when you finish?
Well, I've got the camera as well.
So we have this man waiting to get on the cruise. Look at that.
Don't go too near, please.
Well, I'm just standing here. I'm not going to fall in the water. Hubby is so frightened about the seaside. So here is his friend sitting down here. Thank you.
Sorry?
So we are having sea bangles is a cruising, and then so it's such a beautiful place, and everybody's waiting to get on the cruise. So yeah, I know.
Please don't go too near, please.
I won't go near the water, please. Stop worrying, Paul. I'm not near the water, love.
You're that bloke.
So this is very, very. So this, you can see the other side. You can see the border force in the other side of this. So we were there in the other. Hello. Look at this seaside. It's such nice. So we're going to have a lot of fun today. So that is it. Got to be. They call this side the Quay. Is it? How do you call it? The Quay. Full Quay. Full Quay. Yeah. Come on. Sorry.
I'm trying to explain something to you.
I'm on the phone.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Seem to get me, please.
I know.
The trouble is,
Yeah.
you wouldn't. I'm sorry.
I won't fall
I'll explain
into
to you
water.
afterwards. If
Yeah.
somebody can knock you in by accident.
I know. That's why I'm just
That's
standing.
why I keep away. Or just blow you in.
Okay, I'll be careful.
I want to go to the bin over here. Can you keep it there?
Okay. So we got the. this is the best seaside I've been so far. Yeah, this is nice. I love the boat.
Yeah, we go down to town. Over there. Where you said? Yeah.
So we're going to that side. I want to go and get. You see those ones there? I want to go and get the videos. Then I'll come.
God wants to go over here, please. Sorry, no. I'll do it on the way back.
I'm sorry.
I'll go on the way back there. Let patients do a vlog in, and I'll do my own. As long as it keeps me away from the water.
Somebody's so worried about seaside. There's a lot of argument today, miss. He always tries to worry about the seaside. He doesn't want anything near the sea. Look at it. Look at the harbor. So we're going. It's a very nice view. So we're having a very good time there. Carl is playing pranks on this that. Don't jump in, Carl. That will be so. We're going to give him life jacket to get you out. So we're going down to the other side. This is Grace House. Grace House. So you have so much there, you get Grace House.
Hey, if you come down here, you could hit all the pubs and be drunk within an hour.
Yeah. It's so nice. Absolutely. So I'm going to get. Oh, look at those ones. How do you call it? Jets. Jet boats.
Yeah, I'll get some with it. My phone. Can you take that, please? I don't go too far this way. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, I just want to take those.
Hello.
Carl,
Yeah.
don't forget those ones.
Yeah, you. How are you?
Nice ones.
Yeah, go on then. Don't forget to zoom in.
Busy working, are you?
Eh?
You can zoom in as well. Remember?
We're just going. We're down the boat
Yeah,
harbour
you
at the moment.
can
We're going down
Instead of walking down.
there. Yeah, we went on holiday, didn't we? We went on Monday. Let me tell you, we're going away.
That is nice, and there's that thing. Is that pier or what? That bridge.
The gold mobile home is absolutely amazing. It's like it's brand new, and it's big. At the moment, we're down the harbour. It's the harbour we're at. Yeah. Harbour.
So we have a very nice something. So when I come, I will come and do more videos. I thank you for watching, and
What's that chicken we had, Cole?
meet our crew member.
Chicken, right?
That is the ports where people do the shipments and everything. The border control is out there in the other side. The ports, is that the ports border control? Look at the ship, the shipping company there. They are doing a lot of things over there. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And